Can you handle this? The Ultimate Goalkeeper Challenge. This is a live goalkeeper tryout for a soccer team. The captain brings out an automatic ball launcher, and the goalkeeper must successfully block at least 3 shots to pass. A total of 10 soccer balls are fired, and as long as the goalkeeper stops 3, they make the team. It simulates the power of a professional soccer player's shot, with the ball traveling at a speed of 6.7 miles per hour. Because of this, very few people can successfully block the shots. On top of that, each of these machines costs around $100,000, but training a top-tier goalkeeper can cost tens of millions of dollars. For those trying out, the number of saves determines their monthly salary. Blocking 1 shot earns them $20,000 a month, 2 saves increase it to $40,000, and 3 saves bring it up to $80,000. The best goalkeepers can only manage to block 3 shots. The mechanics of the ball launcher are actually quite simple. 2 spinning wheels propel the soccer ball at high speed, sending it flying toward the goal.